If you're using spreadsheets or legacy software to manage expenses, you know that getting insights is difficult. You're either piecing together reports in Excel or using legacy software that wasn't built to deliver the reporting and analytics you need to run your business. Center provides real-time reporting so I can analyze my spend and get insights. I can look at month, quarter, year-to-date expenses, or pick a custom range. At the top, I see spend by department, and I can see how I'm tracking against my budget. Let's say I'm a member of the finance team, and I have a meeting coming up with the SVP of sales. I can click into the sales cost center and be ready for her questions like, am I on budget? And who are my top spenders? I can also come proactively with recommendations, like observing the use of non-approved vendors. Center allows me to inform the business and provide recommendations to optimize spend. I can also give department level access to managers so they have all this data at their fingertips without having to make a one-off request to finance. I can get the same level of detail for spend all up and spend by expense type, merchant, and even the custom fields I've created. Here, I can see how much my team has spent across key projects. Ultimately, this is about focusing your attention where it's needed and on what matters, not spending your time manually piecing data together. Center delivers the insights you need to run your business and get more value out of your spend.